morning? What do you do after waking up? I practice wash my face. Do you exercise daily? Yeah, exercise every day. What do you do in the morning? I get ready for school. What time do you have breakfast? Have breakfast at 7 a.m. How do you go to school? I go to school on foot. What do you do at school? I attend classes and study. Do you talk to your friend? Yeah, I talk to my friend. What do you do after school? I return home and rest. Do you do homework daily? Yeah, I do my homework. What do you do in the evening? I play for read book. Do you have at home? Yeah, I have my family. What time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 10. Do you watch